I'm Danielle, I'm 23, and I know nothing about buying a house. Luckily, my boss, Kip, knows everything about buying a house, so I'm going to ask him some questions. Welcome to Kip's Crash Course for First-Time Homebuyers. Hey Kip,
Hey Danielle.
if I was to choose you as my realtor, what would be our next step?
Well, our next step, we've now identified our key items that we want and our location. So that's our starting point. And this is where I'm going to reach out to my associate, Amy, and we're going to talk about search parameters, and we're going to get you set up as an auto search. So things I'm going to want to know is the price range, the distance from work, and maybe, style of home. So some basic information to get you set up. So I'll pass it over to Amy, and she'll give you an example.
Oh, hey. All right. We're setting you up on a home search, Danielle.
You are.
Okay, tell me your top 4 needs.
I'm looking for at least 3 bedrooms.
Okay.
And a 20-minute commute to work.
Alrighty. What else would you like?
At least 2 bathrooms.
Okay, minimum 2 bathrooms. Do you need a garage or anything like that?
I need a place to park my car, not
Okay.
necessarily a garage though.
Alrighty, minimum 2 bathrooms, and then we'll see what's what.
That's great.
We've got Danielle's needs list. We've got her added into our client database in the MLS system. I'm going to design her search that'll keep an eye out for all the new listings that meet her needs list. I know she's looking for a residential property, though we can also search for vacant land or commercial listings, things like that. The biggest criteria, I know she needs to be within 20 minutes of work. So I've got the map settled on her work address, and I'm going to draw a shape that's going to kind of fit most of the areas that she could be shopping in and still be within a good distance from work. So we can certainly customize this. There's my search area. And then back here under criteria, I'm only interested in things that are currently available on the market. I know she told me she needs a minimum of 3 bedrooms and a minimum of 2 bathrooms. And she's going to want parking. We also didn't talk about this, but I know that Danielle is only able to buy up to about $300,000. So I'm going to put a price range in, which will help narrow down our search as well. And then when we hit search, we get 6 active listings right now that would be options for Danielle. So I'm going to save this search and set her up to get our search emails. So this is Danielle's home search. And she's going to get an email from our office every time a property lists that might work for her. And that way she can keep an eye on the market, see what's coming, and find out what place will work best for her.